Hello friends, myself Professor R.H. Adekar. I am teaching subject Artificial Intelligence for the class 3rd year Computer Engineering students. I am working as Assistant Professor and Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department. This is our Institute Scholarship Scheme. Today we will see informed or heuristic search strategies. This section shows how an informed search strategy, one that uses problem specific knowledge beyond the definition of the problem itself and can find solutions more efficiently than uninformed strategy. The general approach we consider here is called best first search. And this best first search is an instance of the general tree search or graph search algorithm in which a node is selected for expansion based on an evaluation function f of n. The node with the lowest evaluation is expanded first, and the implementation of this informed search is identical to that for uniform cost search except for the use of f instead of g to order the priority queue. Most best algorithms include as a component of f that is called as heuristic function and denoted by h of n. And this h of n is nothing but estimated cost of the cheapest path from the state at node n to a goal state. These are the classifications of informed search: greedy best first search, A star search, then memory bounded heuristic search, and learning to search better. First we will see this greedy best search, best first search. This greedy best first search tries to expand the node that is closest to the goal on the grounds that this is likely to lead a solution quickly, and it evaluates nodes by using just the heuristic function, that is f of n equal to h of n. Let us take example of route finding problems in Romania, and we use the straight line distance heuristic that is called as HSLD. H means what? Heuristic. SLD means what? Straight line distance. This is what the road map of Romania is given. Here the starting node is Arad and the target node is Bucharest. Goal node is Bucharest here. Then the straight line distance of each city from this Bucharest is given in this table. This Arad from the Bucharest with a straight line distance of 366 km, Bucharest 0. Then all this Fagarest 176, Lassi 226, then Remucu Valsi 193. Means the straight line distance of each city to the Bucharest is given in this table, and this is the road map of this Romania city. If the goal is Bucharest, we need to know the straight line distances to Bucharest that is given in the table. Then here from Arad to Bucharest, SLD is given 366. Then let us see how to expand or how to search from Arad to Bucharest. Then the searching is done like this. Arad is the start node. Then from this Arad there are three ways: Sibiu, then Timisoara and Jerind. And if we see this map of this Romania, then the Sibiu is closest to the Bucharest as compared to the Jerind and Timisoara. Therefore from this Arad you have to expand. Next is what? Sibiu. See this graph. From Arad you have to expand the Sibiu. Then from this Sibiu, then you observe how many ways are there from this Sibiu. There are 4 ways: Orandia, Arad, then Remucu Valsia and Fagares. Then the Fagares is more closer to the Bucharest as compared to the other three. Therefore, from this Sibiu, you have to expand the Fagares. Then see this. From Sibiu, you have to expand the Fagares, and then from this Fagares, you have to reach to the, from this Fagares, you reach to the goal state Bucharest. Therefore, this is the way from Arad to Sibiu, Fagares, and then Bucharest. This is the best first search from Arad, then Sibiu, then Fagares, and then Bucharest. This greedy best first tree search is also incomplete, even in a finite state space, much like a depth first search. Consider the problem of getting from Lassie to Fagares. Let us take one example. Suppose this we have to go from Lassie to Fagares. Then, if we see the closest node to the Fagares, there are two ways from Lassie to Fagares, Lassie to Nimt and Lassie to Vaslui. Then, this Nimt node is the closest to the Fagares as compared to the Vaslui. But the Nimt node is what? Dead end. Nimt node is dead end. Then here see, the heuristic suggests that Nimt be expanded first because it is closest to the Fagares, but it is dead end. The solution is to what? Then the solution over this what? From this Lassie, you have to go to the Vaslui, then you have to go to the Urgisiani, then you go to the Bucharest, then Fagares. This is the solution to move from Lassie to Fagares. And this algorithm will never find this solution. However, because expanding Nimt puts Lassie back into the frontier. Lassie is closer to the Fagares than Vaslui, and so Lassie will be expanded again, leading to an infinite loop. This is the disadvantage of these algorithms. Thank you.